Alright guys, so we are in something that has been put up for a little while. Not very long, but just a little. Working on the danzi. Getting the interior all done. We got that piece up there we gotta replace. Right there. Then we gotta replace the floor right there. And we're redoing the whole interior. So, with that being said, we're gonna get that cut out and get to it. Alright, so let's get in here. We got that all cut out. Working on this wiring mess right here. We're getting ready. We're taking this seat out right here. We got two of the bolts out. We got to take two more out. This whole seats will pop out. That way we can clean all this up so it's nice and pretty. Huh? What?
I'll probably redo it.
Why?
So it all matches.
Oh, with that.
Get rid of the blue.
Don't like the blue? Well, you don't want no dark color up here. So you don't want to put white up here.
Red.
I mean, black.
Red.
Yeah, but don't you think that's too much red?
No. No such thing.
So we're getting this seat out. We'll catch you guys as soon as we're done with that. Alright, so we got them two out. We got the carpet cleaned out over here and over there. Both the speakers are out and the lights. Gonna pull all them wiring out. We're working on cutting the floor out right now. Then we're trying to fix this wire disaster. Are them speakers even marine speakers? I don't think they are. Are they? You sure? Oh, really?
They're expensive.
Oh. So, we've got several wires that are going nowhere because I don't know why they're not. Like, whoever wired this boat up had no nonsense of any type of wiring. Did they? Hey, I don't know what. Lights. What color are they?
Red.
Are they? Did they work? So let's see if this one works. We'll say that one's ground. Well, where's Tommy at? Alright, let's see if this works now. Poof! Nothing. So, do a little switcheroo. And we got red. It's not very bright at all. We got red light. Now we don't. Pull these wires.
Go to switch 1 and 2.
Huh?
Switch 1 and 2.
1 and 2?
Yep.
So it's cubby light and cab. Just here, cut them up there. Unless you can take them out right there.
Yeah, what's the house number?
Huh?
What's the house number?
I love people when they don't know how to wire stuff. Alright, well, that's out of here. What's this? Can you pull it? They're hooked? No, can you pull them to you?
Oh, yeah.
Because we're going to redo it. 'Cause they're all messed up. Everything should be good for you. what about this one? Green speaker. And that guy. What's this guy? Nope. Yep. Oh, that's what. Hey, that's that guy. Didn't go nowhere. Unless it went up there.
Goes into the main harness.
Yeah, it goes into this main harness, which is that. That goes up there. Alright, so we're gonna redo some of these wires real quick and we'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so we got the floor cut up, or the bench, or whatever you want to call it. We got it cut out. We got the new one screwed in here. We got the fiberglass already pre-cut. So we're gonna go to the store, grab some paintbrushes, some rubber gloves, a measuring cup so we can measure the resin. So once we do all that, we'll get back here and get it done did. That's the deal. We gotta get this done. Summer is just right around the corner for us. So gotta get her all done did. Catch you guys in a flash. Alright, so we got the resin made up. We got them pieces right there that he's working on. Got them all pre-cut already. Just resin them all in. Then once he gets that all done, we're gonna resin that whole piece of plywood right there. That way everything is nice and sealed. So should be getting to it here shortly. So we'll show you guys after it's done what it looks like. Alright, so that's in there drying. It's in there drying somewhat. There we go. So now we gotta get the gauges to work. So we're gonna just touch some wires and see if something moves up there. I guess that's the only way to do it, right? So catch you guys in a minute.